Magandang buhay! This is Teacher Ruzvi for a tutorial on playing a recorder. This is a recorder. This recorder belongs to woodwind musical instrument, played by blowing in the mouthpiece and then covering the holes. A recorder has different sizes, with names corresponding to the different voice ranges. Merong soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. What I have now is the soprano, which is very popular. Recorder is first documented in Europe in the Middle Ages, and it became popular in the Renaissance and Baroque periods. The sound of the recorder is described as clear and sweet. Okay, pakinggan ninyo. Cool ba and sweet? Yes, parang ang lamig sa tainga ng tunog ng recorder. That's why this is also associated with birds and shepherds. Yan, dahil sa lamig ng tunog na na-produce ng recorder. A recorder meron parts. Tatlong parts. This one, yung may mouthpiece, tapos may butas dito. And then, in the middle part, this one, tsaka pinakadulo. Sa dulo, merong yung hole. Single hole. Pwede mo siya adjust. This is adjustable depending on sa iyong daliri. Making sure, ayan ha. So, the recorder has 7 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Corresponding the different the 7 pieces on music. Tsaka meron dito tayo sa likod na isang hole. Ginagamit ang likod nito for the octave higher. Tapos dito naman may mga maliit 2 holes. Ginagamit ito for the semitone, yung half step lower, half step higher. Okay, so paano natin i-play ang recorder? First, we'll learn how to blow. Okay. Playing this recorder is like singing. When we sing, di ba, nag-inhale tayo? And then we exhale. In playing ang exhale, in singing, ang exhale natin ay we say the lyrics of the song. Ito naman, kapag exhale, we blow and at the same time, we move our fingers. So, paano tayo mag-blow ulit? Lagay mo lang yung mouthpiece sa tip of your mouth. Huwag mo siya ipasok sa loob. Ito lang. And then, when you blow, you sound or you think of the syllable na tu, tu, tu para clear ang sound na ma-produce natin. Sample. Okay, you say the word tu, 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 tu. Okay, now in covering the holes, Sabinatan music is using the different symbols. And gumagamit tayo ng mga notes. What are different notes or pitches on the staff that we use? There are 7. The do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Kaya, 7 din ito. When we covered all the holes, that is do. Okay ha? Do. Or si. Tanggalin natin isa. That would be re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Binaliktad lang natin. I am still covering the back hole. Ang right thumb natin, ilagay natin dito to support the recorder kapag nag-play na tayo. Hindi yung nakaganyan tapos saka ka lang maglagay, baka malilate ka sa pag-play ng instrument. So, dito siya lagi. Kapag hindi mo ginagamit ang sol, andyan lang siya. Pag andyan na. Okay. And yung left naman, this serves us for the notes on la, ti, to. Yan, then the top covering the holes at the back. So, yan ha. Let's try. Let's listen to the sound. When we cover all, that is do, lower do. Okay. Sa pag-blow, wag natin masyadong malakasan. Kasi paglakasan natin, yan. Nag-iiba na yung tunog. Dapat, tamang pag-blow lang. Hindi masyadong mahina, hindi rin masyadong malakas. And make sure, tips, as I said earlier, you can adjust para lapat ang tunog. Kasi if not, iba magiging tunog niya. Halimbawa, mayroon dong hindi mo na masyado na cover. Ito yung kanyang tunog. See, hindi siya tama. That's why you have to make sure all the holes are covered. So, ito yung tamang tunog. Dahan-dahan pag-blow. Try natin ulit, okay? Kaya mo? I'm sure. Kapag kaya mo na i-play ang Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, kaya mo na magtugtog ng any song. So, did you learn something today, kids? Enjoy playing this recorder. Until next time, this is Teacher Ruzvi saying, teaching and learning are made easy and fun. Music is alive. God bless us all.